Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get bank statement from Raiffeisen Bank online. So the first step that you have to do is to access the bank or the website and then just sign in with your credentials to view your account. Next is you have to select your account. So from the accounts list, you have to click on the specific account for which you need each statement. So after that, just look for statements or documents or even history option in the account menu, and then you have to click on it. And then from there, you just have to select the time period for your statement or the monthly, quarterly, or even a custom date range. So it depends on you. You will just see it in there, which is the months and the years as well. And lastly is the click download button. So you will just see a button just like this one to save your statement as a PDF to your device. So that's how pretty it is. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.